Hello guys, I am Elijah A. Domingo from BSIT2 and now I'm going to connect Ethernet cable to cable tester with designated codes or colors. So these are the materials or tools that we're going to need in doing this activity. Now we are going to cut the wires properly like that. And I'm going to cut the excess wires and papaghiwalay-hiwalayin ko na po yung wires para maging okay po yung pagkakakabit ko at papantay-pantayin ko po. After this, ilalagay ko na po yung pagkakasunod-sunod na color para po pag pinasok ko po sa cable tester, mag-successful po yan. And these are the proper pagkakasunod-sunod po. White, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, white, brown, and brown. And after that, ikakat ko na po yung excess wires para po maging pantay lahat and makapasok po sa RJ45 successfully. And after po makat yung wires, ipapasok na po sa RJ45 ng dahan-dahan para po maipasok ng maayos. And isuksok po natin maigi para mag-success siya sa cable tester natin. Ganito picture niya, ilalak po natin. Huwag po natin kakalimutan the most important. And the moment of truth, isasaksak na po natin parehas yung cable Ethernet sa cable tester natin. Ayan na po. So ito po dapat yung tama pagkakasunod-sunod ng ilaw, and then kapag may lumagpas po na number dyan, yun po yung mali, and ulit po ulit. So guys, gumana po. Thank you. So for the second activity, ganun lang din po ulit sir. Cut ng wires, ayusin lang po ulit, cut ng excess wires, and pasok sa RJ45. So fast forward. For the second pattern, white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, green, white, brown, and brown. And also remember left to right. And for the final, kabit po ulit sa cable tester, dalawa. And makikita nyo po yung pattern dyan sa number na yan kung tama o hindi. And for the challenge for this activity, medyo po mahirap since kapag nagkamali ka po at uulit ko po ulit sa dulo. And thank you sir, we've learned a lot from you. Bye!